studies are not completed now, syllabus class 12 me. So the basic problem is for all the students is the first challenge is the syllabus, because the syllabus is the both years 11th and 12th. It's very difficult to complete the syllabus within the time, and definitely in NIS students where whenever you take admission in NIS and you have few months, I mean sometimes we start at few days. So it's only one solution that you will have to focus all the PE chapters. Doesn't matter you are a student of on-demand exam, otherwise public examination, but only focus on all the PE chapters. That's very important for you. I again repeat all the PE chapters, and also you should uh, you should follow the teacher of that required subject according to their strategy. You can complete the syllabus. For example, I'm a teacher of physics and chemistry. Then I can tell you the best strategy, the best planning, the best way that how you can complete the physics syllabus. And according to that strategy, you can complete the syllabus within 7 days, within 15 days, within 20 days, 1 month, 2 months. It's totally depend on you. And one thing is important and common in all the students are the hard work. That you will have give your best and best with the hard work every day. I think so 8 to 10 hours every day. If you want to complete the syllabus within 7 days, 10 days, 15 days. If you have 3 months, 6 months, even if you are a student of October 2026, then no issue. You can complete your syllabus regularly 2 to 3 hours every day. That's okay.